Traders, Brian here with A Plus Setups. It is May 19th, 2026, and here is our quick trade recap from this morning's session. So right out of the gate, what I want you to realize is that all of these trades that I'm getting ready to show you, they have one thing in common. We are looking for A plus setups, either the shallow pullback, the deep pullback, or the puncture trade immediately after a trend line break. That's our attack point. That's what we're looking for. That's what I'm waiting for. All these trade setups that occur in between, I'm not interested in. My trade plan only calls for me to get one winning trade in funded accounts, and I'm done for the day. So I'm just looking. But today we took 3 winning trades, again 3 for 3 in the demo account, and of course all the funded accounts got one and done early on. So here's what we waited for. It was about 9:40 Eastern time. We had a trend line break right here, beautiful trend line break, roll right back into a shallow pullback, the jiggle. You can see our software prints the arrow here. We take the trade, we get the scalp. A lot left on the table, but I'm just trading to the first take profit level in our demo account. You can see here our software printing other winning signals. This is a reverse mullet. It's another jiggle. But I'm only interested in the trend line break setup. That's where my attack point is. That's where my focus is. It's a potential change of character in the market, and that's where I want to get in. All right, so trade number 2, remember that was about 9:40. We had another trend line break here. I missed this one, but we had a trend line break there. This was about 9:51 Eastern, and we pull back into another jiggle setup. Let's come over here and take a look at that. So you can see here again our software printing the jiggle arrows, successful scalp. It printed again, another jiggle, another successful scalp, and then you had a short trade right here, another successful scalp to the first take profit. Now again, I'm not interested in all these. I'm looking for the one that comes out of the gate after the trend line break. Now that was 9:51. About 5 minutes later, we get another trend line, a clean trend line break, and we get a really stout rally back. I took this trade. It went outside of the bounds of a reverse mullet, almost to a puncture trade, our deepest pullback. I went ahead and took the trade because we almost kissed this trend line right here on the underneath. So I took the trade and got another scalp right there. So again, you can see our software is printing another successful jiggle. We had another successful one there, another successful one here. But I'm just interested in the attack point immediately after the trend line break. All right, that was it for today. Summarize, we were 3 for 3 in the demo account. Yesterday we were 3 for 3. Funded accounts have been one and done on both days. So the trend line break, which is the framework, the contextual framework that sets up our either shallow, deep, or deepest pullback setups. Hope this helps. Good luck in your trading. Hope to see you tomorrow at the opening bell.